Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project seminar hall booking system. And I have developed this project in Java JSP and MySQL. The version for the JDK I'm using is the JDK 1.8 and MySQL version is 5.6. And I'm using the MySQL J connector for connecting MySQL with Java and JSP, right? And for running this project, I have used a Tomcat server, and the version for the Tomcat server, I am using the Tomcat version 7. But if you have Tomcat version 8 or Tomcat version 9, then you can easily configure this project on those server, right? So this is the server side technology and the backend technology. So front-end development, it's a web-based development. So for front-end page designing and layout designing, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations, for calendar plugin integrations, I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project seminar hall booking system. Right. So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is Seminar Hall Booking System, and it's a mini Java JSP and MySQL DBMS project. Mini project because it has only customer login, customer registration. There is no provision for the admin login, right? But if you need the admin login, we will develop it also. Also, projects are available on the website where admin and customer logins are both. Right. So this is a mini project and it has only and only customer login. Customer can perform all of the operations. Right. So let's start with the functionality go through. So this is the home page of the project, and you can see there are a lot of halls coming on the home page, and these halls are totally dynamic and it's coming from the database, right? So currently we have added five halls, but if you have more than five, if you want to add more than five halls, then you can add it from the database directly. There is no admin panel for adding it, right? So this is the home page, right? So this is the about project, and it's about the project. If you want to change the content, just open the about us.jsp and you can change the content there. This is a seminar hall. All of the seminar halls which has been added into the database will be displayed here. So there are 9 seminar halls, right? We have added, and all are coming here. So you can search your seminar halls according to your area. So you can click on the all seminar halls. So all seminar halls are coming here. If you click on the Noida sector 120, then all of the seminar halls which is available in that area will be displayed here. So you can see the according to the area the halls are getting displayed, right? This is the customer login from where customer will be able to log in and book the hall. This is the registration. If you don't have the user ID and password, then you will be able to register from here, and after that you can book the seminar hall. Without registration you will not be able to book the seminar halls. This is a contact us, and this is a static contact us page. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending any type of email and SMS from this page. So this is totally static page. Right now I am going to log in as a customer. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and the password is test. Once you log inside the system, if you enter the invalid details, and then it will show you invalid user ID and password, right? So you need to enter the correct credential here to log inside the system. Once you log inside the system, you will get the dashboard from where you can navigate through your account, right? So here is a my booking. All of the bookings which you have made earlier will be displayed here, right? If you click on the view details, you will be able to see the details of that booking, right? Again, I'm going to the dashboard. This is a my account section from where you will be able to update your account details, right? This is the my request, means this is a my bookings, and this is a my account, right? Now I'm going to book a seminar hall according to our requirements, right? So once you click on the seminar hall, then you will be able to see all of the seminar halls, right? Once you click on the seminar hall, then you will be able to get all of the details which belongs to that seminar hall, right? So address, contact number, each and everything is here, right? Once you click on submit booking request, then it will ask your name, email, contact number, and booking requirements. You can put all of your details here, and after clicking on the update booking, then this information will be saved into the database and you will be able to see in the my request section. So I am saying here Jay Kumar and email jay@gmail.com. The contact number you can enter here, booking request. I need 500 people, right? Once you click on the update bookings, then it will tell you, okay, your booking ID is 10, and that 10 ID will be available on the my request. And once you click on the view details, you will be able to see all of the details, right? So the name, email, each and everything, you will get the details here, right? The last thing is the logout. So because currently we are login, that's why these menus are coming. But if you click on the logout, all of the session will be destroyed and none of the administration menu will be displayed. Let me show you. Once you click on the logout, then you can see there is nothing coming. But if I click on the login, then you can see the my account, my request are coming. Right? So this all functionalities we have developed, right? And as I told you earlier, this is a Java JSP MySQL DBMS mini project, right? DBMS web based mini project, right? So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to our requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.